got a $2 Funfetti cake from Walmart, and we're gonna bake it and see how it turns out.
I recommend this cake because it is really good, and yeah, let's get into it.
We have all of our supplies. Make sure you wash your hands. We already did that. And make sure you preheat the oven to 350 degrees. And make sure you have an adult with you when you do that. We already had our adult do that. We already cracked our 30 eggs, and here they are. And now I'm gonna do the oil.
Somebody said oil? Let's get it. This is a half cup, and let's pour it in. Satisfying.
Now we're gonna add the water, the British saying. Satisfying. Now the cake mix.
Let's do this, the main part.
And we're gonna use scissors. When you're using scissors, make sure you have an adult to help safety first.
Our adult already helped us with this, so yeah, let's pour it.
Yes, sir.
Make sure you get all of it in.
Shake the bag a little bit.
Now
Then we're gonna stir. That's smooth. We finished mixing. Now we have to add our liners in, so that way when we pour it, it's not in the pan and it gets stuck. And when we're done, we're gonna put it in the oven and bake it until it's ready, and then we will take it out and try it.
Now we finished filling in our cupcakes. Now let's throw them in the oven.
Make sure you have an adult with you when you do this.
Teamwork.
Yeah, dude! These are our Funfetti cupcakes with the vanilla frosting and some Funfetti sprinkles.
I hope you enjoyed this, and make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.